Use short runs and pre-assembled sections to make plumbing connections in tight bathroom remodel spaces. When working in confined cabinets and behind walls, keep tubing lengths minimal and use flexible piping like cross-linked polyethylene to navigate bends without kinking. Pre-assemble valve assemblies and adapters outside the room on a workbench so you only need to slide the finished piece into place and fasten it. Consider using push-fit connectors such as SharkBite for copper and plastic transitions because they do not require soldering or flare tools and allow quick seat and seal in small clearances. Cut pipes squarely and deburr every cut to ensure proper sealing surfaces and avoid leaks that are hard to access later. Use a camera scope or compact inspection mirror and LED pen light to verify seat depth and orientation before finalizing connections. When securing lines, fasten to existing framing using short pipe straps and cushioning to prevent noise and movement without adding bulk that blocks access. A common mistake is trying to solder or sweat fittings in a cramped space where torch access is limited, which risks poor joints and fire hazards, so pre-assemble with sweat on a bench when necessary or use mechanical fittings. Another issue is leaving too much tubing coiled behind a fixture, which leads to hard-to-trace leaks, so measure precisely and cut to fit, allowing a small service loop only when needed. People also buy the wrong fitting sizes or types and then force connections, causing stress on joints. So double-check thread types and pipe material compatibility and test with a pressure check before closing walls. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors, and contractors find work tied to projects like tight bathroom remodels. We also host a discussion community where we share hands-on tips and photos so our members can learn practical approaches and ask for advice.